Welcome back to DelphStack Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to add background music to your PowerPoint slides. First, open your PowerPoint presentation, then go to the Slides option in the upper toolbar. Select the slide where you want to add music. In the audio section, choose a file from your device. Select the audio file and insert it. The audio is added and you can adjust its position on the slide. This is how you insert audio into a PowerPoint slide. If you start the slideshow, the music plays on this slide. However, when you move to the next slide, the music stops. Now let's learn how to play background music across all slides. Click on the sound icon in the slide. Two additional format options will appear in the toolbar. This is where you can adjust the audio settings. Here you will see several playback options. Select the option to play background music. You can also set the audio to play automatically. Adjust fade in and fade out timing if needed. You can trim the audio to choose the section you want. This lets you control which part plays in the background. Now when you run the slideshow, the music plays continuously across all slides. If this video helped you, please subscribe to our channel for more easy tech guides. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.